Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. And today, I'm thinking to take a position in Netflix. I'm gonna try to scalp it. But with all the news going on with Netflix, that's just crazy. How Netflix went to, around $600 to almost $200. That's just, I don't know, it's mind blowing. They keep saying they want to regulate crypto, but yet you have a stock like Netflix that dropped down more than half. I mean, it erased 5 years of going up. 5 years of progress just wiped out. In 1 year. That's just. All right. Well, I'm going to. I want to take a short position at around $216. I'm gonna do 322 shares. Yes, I know it's a weird number because my keyboard only has half the numbers. It's a half keyboard, so I just put a number I could put from here. I could add it from here. No, I can't. 322. Okay. We're going to take a short position. Because what you can see here, where's the opening? Let's see if I can see it. Netflix was coming up. It hit 226. I mean, if I was here in opening, I mean, it was probably a good, opportunity to short at 226. By the time I could get on to trade and take care of my son and my daughter. Man, look at this gap down right here. 350 all the way to 250. That's just wow. So I see, yeah, you have, Netflix trending down, hitting 214, bounced off, and looks like it went above 216, but the candle didn't form over 216. It looks like it's not going to hold. And looks like, to me, it looks like a perfect position to short it. Yeah, light speed chart isn't the best chart, so I prefer to use trading view because I can see a lot more in trading view. And I'm going to short it Netflix all the way to 212. I think I'm gonna get out of 212 because the lowest Netflix reaches was 212 and 41 cents maybe. I can see here. So I might try to get out when it gets close to 212. I'm not sure if that's the bottom floor, but so far that looks like the bottom floor. It might be the bottom floor, but you could keep trending down. So it's up to you. Want to take that risk to keep holding when it reaches around 212 and 40 cents. Let's see what the SPY is doing. The S&P 500. Looked like in the morning it came up, and that's when Netflix reached around 226, and that will be a good position to short it at 226. Imagine that 226 right all the way down to 212. That'd be nice. But it looks like S&P 500 is trending, is coming down a little bit, but not sure where it's going to bounce. I mean, it looks like he's bouncing from 448. I'm not going to get out exactly at This is low to the bottom, and that's the best I could see it on this chart, but on Trading View is a lot better. It's about $212 and about 40 cents it looks like. So I might try to get out $2.13 just in case the bounce is a little early. So all right, let's see if it starts to break down at 214. Looks like it bounced. It has a little bounce, but it wasn't really a strong bounce. And see how at 226 the candle spiked up. If you took a short position here and if you had a stop loss, you would have got out. So usually what I do is at 226 I'll take a short position here. Don't move out at a spike. This is a spike, so you don't want to move out, and then you could have ride down all the way. That would have been a nice trade right here for sure. And it was predictable because the last high was a 226 right here. You can see a candle right here, 226. That was the last high reached. So that's why you probably want to short it at 226. Leonidas, can you give me a second? I'm trading. Is it gonna happen right here? Is Netflix gonna come down? Come on. It's flirting at 214. Man, I feel like it's taking forever for it to break down under 214. Looks like it's a little fight going on here. Bouncing on 214. Alright, I'll be back once it starts to get under 214. Alright, here it goes. It finally went under 214. Let's see if it has a little breakdown. Alright, here it goes. Finally. Come on, come on, come on. Hopefully this is like a quick move down, not like a slow move. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's dropping down quick. This is what I waited for. All right, it wants to start to move because it was stuck around 214, having a little battle there. And then finally, when it reached under 214, now it started to move. The selling pressure started to increase. And it could be due to the SPY too, helping a little bit. Ah, see, look at that. The SPY is coming down, and it's pushing Netflix down too, helping with the downward pressure. I might get out at 213, maybe. If it blows through 213, I might just hold a little longer. If I see a green candle, I'll just get out of it. But so far, I don't see it. I don't see any green candles coming back up or retracing back up. Man, it's moving down nicely. I'm about to get out. Alright, I'm out. That was a little nice trade for Netflix. Took a while because it looked like it was stuck around 214. I wasn't sure that was the bottom, but it's nice that I didn't really move too much. You know what I mean? 214 coming up to 216 and coming back to 214. It really stayed really close to 214. So, besides that, that was a nice Netflix trade. And that's why sometimes it's good to trade with the news. If the market is down, you see the S&P 500 coming down a little bit. plus some negative news on a certain type of stock, that's a good opportunity. Those, it's not guaranteed, but bad news increases chances for that stock to come down. You have the S&P 500 coming down, that increases the percentage of it to come down as well. The higher the percentage, the better for you. All right, everyone, and that's the end of my trade. Hopefully, you had a green day too, or if you're thinking about trading, just make sure don't trade with emotion, don't rush in and throwing all your money into one stock, or you think you could make quick money. Like, just if you think you can make quick money in and out really quick, it's not easy like that. The whole point for day trading is to always win more than you lose, because if you're winging it and going in all in one trade, and then you make a lot of money, and then most likely the next trade you might lose more money than what you made, and it always happens. From my personal experience, take small little trades if you're new, and slowly increase your shares, because the less shares you use, you have more time to practice. The more shares you use, you'll have less time to practice. You're losing to a point where, damn, I have no more money. You have no more money. You have to add more money to your account, and you don't want to do that. That feeling sucks. All right, everyone. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.